can you explain how hiring your spouse or children through your business can be a tax advantage?
Yeah, we call that the hire your kids strategy. It's a great strategy. Uh, we usually start it if your kid's about 7 years old when they can start actually helping out. Uh, what you do there is you can hire your child uh, to do work for your business, and as long as you can document the hours, uh, you can take that as a deduction. So it's a tax-free way to. What you do is you set up a joint bank account with you and your child, and you document hours, and depending on your business, we could come up with reasons for the child to work. A lot of times, for kids these days, it could just be like help with marketing and Instagram, and a lot of times we do like cleaning the home office and things like that. And so you document the hours, and the kid can work, 1 hour a day, and there's a minimum shift rule. So just as if your kid got called in to work at McDonald's and take out the trash for 1 hour, they would have to log 1 hour just for taking out the trash for 10 minutes. Uh, and so the minimum shift rule, yeah. So they, do something like clean the home office like once a day. You can document an hour per day, and we set them at a rate of like 20 or $25 an hour. And over the whole year, as long as it's under the standard deduction. The reason this is a tax strategy is because you're taking advantage of your child's standard deduction. So up until $15,000, the uh, your child doesn't have to file a tax return. And if they're your child, you don't have to withhold payroll taxes as you would for someone else.
Wow.
And
That
so it's
that's
a yeah. Oh, sorry.
that's
Yeah, so it's a
important. Yeah.
tax-free way to yeah, pay your child. And so that joint bank account you have with the kid, uh, you would you would have control over that account, and you'd use that money to pay for things you're going to pay for anyway. So sports and clubs and school and just anything you spend money on kids all the time. So anything you would buy for them anyway with your own money, you just use that account.
Yeah, that's so interesting. Now, you touched on that before in one other question, but what is the benefit of using a home office deduction when applied correctly? Can you explain that again?
What is the benefit of using the home office deduction?
Yes.
When you use the home office deduction, well, we use an accountable plan. It's a little different. We don't call it a home office deduction when you're an S corp. S corps actually don't have home offices, but they're allowed to have an accountable plan. And so the advantage to that is you get tax free reimbursements uh, from your business. So it's the best way to take money out of your business. It's tax free money to you every month that you're taking just for the business use of your home. So you have a home office, and you get reimbursed every month, tax free money, and it's a deduction to your business.